It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So
Okay.
keep going.
Yes, it's
Letter E.
okay.
Letter E is next. No, no, no. This one. E.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Slowly. Good boy. Okay. Ink. Do it properly, anak.
What's this?
Iron.
Iron.
Yeah.
Okay, it's an iron.
Okay. Do it. I.
Okay, I.
I. R.
Or it looks like a yarn pool.
The O.
Then O.
Yes.
Okay.
Careful.
There.
Good. N. Last one is letter N.
Okay.
Yay! Very good. How about the big ones now?
Wow.
Yeah.
What is
H. This one. Follow the line. The dots. Yay! Next. Next.
Okay.
Okay, you're going to school next year. This one. Here, here, here.
Okay.
Careful.
Let
Yay!
us finish.
Okay, he finished it. Go. Slowly, careful. Wow. Oops, careful. Do it again in the middle, the line in the middle. A.
But yeah.
Okay, go, 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 go.
that
Do it again. Yeah, okay.
Do that again.
Oh,
Yeah, you
ba't
do that.
in-erase mo na naman?
Yeah, do that again. Do
Ay?
it again. Yeah, do
Ay,
it.
do it nicely, okay? Okay. Okay, go. Ready? So, papahid sa damit. This one.
Okay.
How about the letter I? Can you do the letter I?
Ah,
Oopsie. What happened? How about the letter R? Careful. Some more here. Wait, 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 wait. Here, here. Oop. Oh, this one. Do this. Wow, what is that? It's a jelly.
jelly.
Okay, do that. J.
G.
Mhm.
What's this?
Jar.
Oh, joy.
Oh, sige na, dali na. Gawin mo na to, oh.
Ah.
Dali, oh. Oh, sige na, bye-bye na. Bye.